guys, welcome back to Don't Burn Dinner. This week we are making yogurt inside a bread maker. I've never heard of this. Last week we did pizza dough inside the bread maker. That kind of blew my mind. I turned the page and you can make yogurt. So we're gonna try that out. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future recipes, and let's make yogurt inside our bread maker today.
Only 3 ingredients. Loving this. So start with natural yogurt, 6.5 tablespoons. You need 4 cups and 3.5 tablespoons of whole milk and just 4 tablespoons of sugar, all mixed in your little bread basket. Yay.
Okay, hold on to that for me.
Okay.
Hold on to it, hang on, got it. Okay, we're gonna dump the milk in. Oh dear, did I just spill it everywhere?
Just build a window.
Just a little?
Okay. That's a lot.
Oh, just a splash, okay. And then after that goes the yogurt.
It's bubbling.
It's bubbling. And then we're gonna put the little yogurt on.
Yum.
Should be just like a tub, they said. Whoops, it's spilling all over the place. Here, I wanna get it all in because it's pretty precise measurements.
So good. I can mix it.
Here's sugar.
Sugar.
You wanna dump it in?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job.
It's
bubbling.
boiling.
It said to mix that, so I'm gonna go ahead and get in there and mix
I'm
it.
going to get mixed in too.
All right, now I'm gonna put it in. Good
Then
job, thanks for your help.
What?
Bread maker. Not easy.
she's supposed to make some.
Come on in, cameraman. There you go, close this off. Turn it around. And then 17's yogurt, so. I thought it was supposed to be only 6 hours. It's saying it's going to take 8 hours for this to be completed, so make sure you keep that in mind when you're making yogurt at home. Other than that, let's see how this turns out, and we'll see you guys in 8 hours. So it's 10:33 at night, and I still have an hour and a half on this yogurt, and I don't know if it can sit in here overnight, so I have to wait up to put it in the refrigerator. I'm so annoyed that I didn't time this better for myself. What was I doing? It's in the morning. It's after midnight. I'm exhausted. Okay, this is heavy. There is a lot of yogurt in here. This is a substantial amount of yogurt. So if indeed it does taste like our starter yogurt, we will be saving a substantial amount of money on yogurt because this is a lot. So let's give it a try and see how it tastes, if it measures up to the original starter yogurt. Tastes like yogurt. It's exactly like plain yogurt. So there you have it. It looks like we have another successful meal that we figured out how to do on a budget this week for Don't Burn Dinner. We made yogurt inside a bread maker. Who does that? I've never even heard of such madness, but we came together and we did it. So thanks for joining us, and please make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any future recipes. All right, we will see you guys next time. Bye.